Hey guys, Sydney Mana here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. No, like really stop and hit the subscribe button. Today I'm bringing you guys a very simple, easy, beginner-friendly 10-minute or less makeup look. I wouldn't say this is my everyday makeup look because I don't wear makeup every day, but when I need a quick, like simple beat, this is what I do. This is my go-to. So if you're looking for a very easy everyday look, please continue watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.